Hello guys, this is Kayla. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a window on Roblox Studio. So go ahead and get 5 parts. Alright, boom, 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 boom. That's 6. Don't need 6. There we go. So first, just make the layout of the window. It's not much. Just make it like this. And then you're gonna want to grab another part and then just put it where you want the glass to go. So you're about to see what I mean in a second. Oh, and before you do this, pick your color of the window. Like, I'm gonna make this, I don't know, what, I'm gonna put wood on it and I'll make it brown. So there we go. And then you want to select this, press curl, click, and then go to model, and then just press the whatever is in the middle of your window, and then press negate, then curl, click, and then press union, and then you got a hole. And then you would want to grab one of these for the glass. Okay. Then I'm just gonna, you don't have to do this, you can just make it a certain color. You don't have to like do the transparency, but if you want people to see through the window, just go to transparency and put it on whatever kind of transparency you like. So boom. And you can even add details if you want. Let me just burp. I didn't mean to do that one, but who cares? Then you can just make the little lines in the window if you want. So let me just try to do that.
Sissy, do you want a brownie too?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, but I'm almost done, okay?
And then I'm just gonna do that and then make it black. Now there you go, and I'll make this a model in a sec for you guys. Thank you for the brownie. Alright, and then I'm just gonna group it. And then I'm going to, where's the save it? Where's the save? Alright. Save to Roblox. Window. You don't have to make this a model if you don't want to, but I'm going to. Alright, we're slash boom. Boop. And then that's all. So goodbye, have a great day, and peace out.